Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the Springboot part 2 tutorial how to connect with the database. So first I am going to create the Springboot project again. How to create? You go to the Google and type Spring Initializer, press enter key. This is the respective website. You click on this one. It goes to the respective website. Select Maven, Java. This all the stuff I have explained already. Select Spring Boot version. I am going to select as this. Name I am going to give on something else. Here I am going to give demo xpx exercise. Right. The Java version I am going to select as 8. Dependency I am going to add as web. This is the dependency I am going to add it. That's only the dependency I am going to add it to, at the moment. After that, the MySQL dependency, I'm going to add it here as well, MySQL. If you are missing here, you can add separately. I'll be explain how to do the task, right? I just click on this generate. Now your project is download here. I just copy this show in folder, Control X to cut off, go to the desktop, paste it over here, right click, extract file, hit and extract it to get as a normal folder. Switch back to my editor, file, open. My project is reside on desktop, which is a demo ex, this one. Select the folder, go to inside. This is the folder. Don't select here. You have to click here and expand it. Inside here you can see the demo ex. This is the file you have to select. Trust project. This window, terminate. Now your project is configured. You have to wait until the project. Alright, it's configuring successfully. You have to wait all the Maven dependencies are configuring. Here you have to wait until the project is configuring. If it is depending on your operating system, if it is your machine performance is good, it is coming quickly. Okay, right. Depend on your system, right? Now your project is here. This is configuring successfully. So pom.xml, this is the art of Spring Boot. I already talked about in my Spring Boot beginner tutorial. Okay, I no need to explain again. Right, here this is the dependencies management. Okay, now I'm going to go to add the MySQL dependencies. So how to add it? Go to the Google, type. This is how you have to get the dependencies. Okay, mbn MySQL. If you type this one, it goes to the MySQL dependency. Here MySQL connected Java Maven. Okay, here my previous video tutorials in Swing application, how to download the connector, we just type as MySQL connector for Java. Here it's different, Maven SQL. So this one mbn SQL is a short form of mbn. Here type like this, it goes here, get it over here, it goes to respective website. This is a connector. You don't get it the newest one, you have to get it as the oldest one. This is for the one suitable. Okay, right, here this is the Maven dependency. You just copy it, select, control C, copy it back to my project, paste it over here. Now after paste it here, you can see the simple here, this one should be the load changes. Click on this one. Now only your dependency will be installing in your project here. Okay, right here it's installing. Right, it is installing successfully. You can get this one right without any error. Right, perfect. Your MySQL dependency is installing successfully. After that, go here. This one I already explained. Whereas your main method is there inside the src folder, main method, main. Here, this is your main method. You can see. Okay. Now here inside the resources folder, there is a file called application.properties. Here we have to define everything. Spring Boot application, everything you have to define over here, right? Okay, I have explained already this one. I no need to explain here. It's so boring. The same code I just copy and paste it. Only the difference I have made it here. In my previous example, only I have mentioned this one only. Here I have mentioned here the system here demo. This is the demo ex. This is the project name. This is a port I have given. Which port you can given any port, right? I have given this port 8083. Springboot. This is a hype update, right? Here Spring data source driver class you have to type is a MySQL driver. You have to write like this. This is the your database. It's reside on MySQL. This is the port where your server is running. So here you have to install the MySQL batch workbench. Here MySQL workbench. You have to install this one in your machine, right? You just go to the Google and type MySQL workbench. Once you install that one, you just here close the connection. I will see here. While you installing, it asks the username and password. You have to given the username and password what you have given while you installing. You have to when you connect this one, it asks you have to provide the username and password here. The same username and password and port. What is the port you are connected? All the things you must given here. Localhost, the port will be this. The same port you have given here, right? The username, but the username, this is a username root, password is a root I have given. You can give any username and password which you need, right? Which is easily you can use. Okay, you can given whatever you need, right? After that, this is the JPA. This one MySQL. This one you have used it, right? JPA page, JPA part, right? Okay, this one we have talked about later on. This is the MySQL configuration, right? It's simple. You have right here. You have to install the MySQL workbench. Here you can configure like this. Is simple, right? It will be connected to your MySQL. Here it will be connected. Now you can see here this is a database, right? Now let me see whether it's working fine or not. This is your application, right? Whether it's working fine or not. Go to this is the main method. Right click, run this one. Otherwise you can click here over here. Click on here. We will be see. If you click, it's building. The application is building. We'll see whether it's working or not. Click in the run. Hit run. It's working your console application. This is Springboot application welcome page here. Now you can see it's there any error. Here connected JVM is running. So here it's working. Here if you get this message, your demo application is running without showing any error. This is your port which I provided. The application properties I already explained it. The particular port it will be connected. Where the port? This is a port. It will be connected. So you can see the port. Everything is showing. Right, your thing is connected successfully. Right. This of your MySQL is working. Right. Now your database is connected successfully. Right. This of the MySQL we have interact with the MySQL. Okay, Springboot. The basic stuff you have to learn. Okay, this is a simple code. You have to keep in your memory. At the first time you have to practice this one. After that you just copy and paste it. Right? How to practice? You just type here. I'll be explain it. Spring. In the IntelliJ idea, it provides the facilities here. Spring JPA. You can type here. It will be pop up. Whatever you are typing is pop up. Hibernate. Here. IPDL. So all the stuff you are typing, it will be the properties will be pop up. You just easily get it over here. Simple. Right? Follow my instruction. It's very simple. Okay, don't go your instruction. You just follow my instruction. Springboot is easily. You can easily you can learn Springboot application. I wish you all the best. All you all learn Springboot step by step. Thank you for watching.